about to cook your dumb ass. He thought you was safe. He thought you was safe. He thought he was safe. He thought you was safe.
Yo, we're cheating ass shit.
Hey, yo, get fucking cooked. Help me out, bro. Forget everything else. All right, so Sting officer with the call shot. All right, we got a decent hand here.
I'm just gonna roll for tonight. Yo, I went to McDonald's and then I was literally like, I should have went to Royal. like as soon as I hit the drop, I mean the drop. I was gonna say McDonald's got a whole driveway, guy. I mean, Rofo be cool. It's just,
Huh.
I get a 3-piece or 5-piece. I didn't really eat all day. I only had that oatmeal cream pie and that ramen.
Wait a minute.
I got a 5-piece.
Aatrox, Elise, Kindred.
How much you
That's not a bad little thing.
Alright, I'm bringing back Minecraft again. Oh, you finally fixed your stream.
Huh? Me?
You finally fixed, yeah.
What's wrong with it?
For the past couple weeks, like, you couldn't hear anybody's voice but yours.
Hold on. Wait a minute. Anthony,
Wait,
you tell me this
you ain't
after I
home?
fix it? What type of shit is that? Yo, you mad petty.
Damn. I mean, to be honest, I kind of prefer that. But I feel, I do see how you're missing entertainment value.
No, bro. I'm mad he tell me. Oh, wait, you fixed your stream. For the last couple days, something been wrong with it.
Oh, I know.
Why
I know
you-
he ain't shit for that. But
Anthony Petty is shit. So petty, that shit funny.
I really don't want to put my debit card in the file.
So you have Aatrox. This gonna be a problem. I can tell it's gonna be a problem already.
Obviously, that's
I have prepared something very special.
He's gonna play Kindred here, and I can't kill it. So I play the Ballistic Bot. How many flash bombs in here? 2. So I already know he drew an Aatrox already. I already knew that bullshit. But ooh, Jinx is actually nice here.
so. And what I'm hearing is after we cop the crib, you about to buy a sports car.
Oh,
Maybe a bike.
oh.
Oh, that's different. I ain't see that one coming. Yeah, shit. You you know, Raekwon and get the bite.
No,
You know
no,
what I
stop,
mean?
stop, stop, stop right now.
I'm just saying, you know, that's 2 out of 4. That's basically half, which is basically majority, which means you basically gotta get one.
You basically need to stop. There's no way you giving me your Aatrox. What the fuck you doing?
I will give them so little.
Yeah, fuck that Aatrox though. Real talk.
No shit, you get a bite. Let's talk about giving you mine if I get my other one working.
I don't want no slow ass bike.
Nigga, I'm telling you. I'm telling you. I wanna overspec the bike, bro. What? Am I a little salty? I got a little too salty. Am I a little salty? Yes. I got. Am I actually mad about it? No. Because the very opposite could have happened.
Who would you grabbing? Who would you grabbing? Oh, you a bitch.
Could have actually just been giving myself wings, and I ain't talking about Red Bull.
He needs to stop.
Don't be mad because I'm nice with it.
Do I take
Alright, I'll be back. I'm gonna run the robo.
So we just chose to switch that. I say you gotta play another blocker because these can't block. That costs 8. Oh, that costs 6. You can play that.
Embrace life.
Expect 3, 5, 9. You still got him for the world ender. Should I have passed her actually? Nah, I'm good. No, I'm good. Oh, that's funny. You definitely have to open attack here. You do, yeah. That's very interesting. That's still gonna be at 9. I shoot Kendrick with this. I really need a gym back. Ballistic back not that bad. He's trying to get the perfect world ender off, and I'm not gonna let that happen. I'm not letting that happen, bro. Oh, come on. You don't need to do that, did you? That's 2 into this. Wait, how was this killing you? Oh, no. Four. Oh, wait. Oh, I kill him here. Oh, I kill him. I kill him on my turn. Holy shit. The moment he go to play World Ender, I kill him. Four, 7, 10. Yeah. The moment he goes to play World Ender, he loses. It's Jinx Jhin. Or you open swing. No, you go for the World Ender here. Cause you're a greedy ass player. You go for the World Ender. Yeah. I gotta just go ahead and take this W up off you. I gotta take this W up off you. Yeah, I gotta take that W. What was going on, Silent? How you been? Alright. I need to kill the Zed. Make sure the Zed can't kill me. I have a good... I can dump my hand anytime. Take that pass. That's not the main you don't worry about. That's great. I pass here too. It's the Zed who I care about. What a Shark Chariot if he plays that now. Oh, I thought it was gonna block the fucking ugly little motherfucker. Yeah, I'm not taking that. I'm not taking that bullshit. No, sir.
Y'all said I'm gonna get this man.
That's the ephemeral. I don't care what he do with it. But I ain't taking that bullshit, bro. You lost this rabbit ass mind. Let me make sure I got something to kill. Just eat for, huh? It's the elusive that kills me because of this damn thing. 2 gens. It's not as good as I would have liked it to be. Hecarim is 6, so I don't have to worry about Hecarim until next turn. Okay, so Hecarim isn't coming down this time, so I play you. Block these elusives. There's a lot of fuck around to find out. Do I want to waste my spell that goes to face to save a Jinx? You know, I have another Jinx in hand. I guess to make the best use of my mana, right? So if I don't, I'm just... You know what? I don't know why I didn't just do this dumbass shit. Just get rid of this ugly ass motherfucker. Oh, that's so sad. 3 gens.
I will showcase the beauty of tragedy. I will give them a show to
Good luck leveling up your Jinx.
Hey, I'm gonna have to just blow all his fucking signature spells. Well, one at least, cause I know he's gonna try and kill my Jhin now. I don't like this damn card. Question is, does he play whatchamacallit now? It's the only thing I really care about him playing. Nah, I didn't just do this for shits and giggles. I need to kill this. Does he have another ephemeral though?
I have prepared something very special.
Yeah, that hurt real bad. Don't have a way to kill Jhin. Oh, I hate that fucking card!
Look at you getting your ass. Some things never change.
Shut your bitch ass up. Oh, that stupid ass Dragling card, bro. Oh, I just lost so much health because of
You
this.
see that dragon game I sent you though? I'm surprised you ain't playing that right now. I'm surprised you ain't even downloaded it. You ain't looking at shit, did you?
I don't know.
I should uninstall this app from my phone off that response.
What game? Was it Century?
Yeah.
We already played
Raekwon.
that.
Oh, that's what it
you already
was?
did? Yeah. I was like, this is a Raekwon ass game right here. Damn, what you thought it was ass?
No, it wasn't that good. Oh, the dumbass Black Flame. Oh, you lucky I'm T-ball to shoot, you son of a bitch. I can't. This egg. He can't. I gotta kill a unit. Like I can't have him have a unit. You cannot have a unit. Oh wait, he might have fucked up. Oh, he might have fucked up. Wait, the Jinx. Let's go. He fucked up. He trapped his head. Oh, he fucked up. Wait, this lethal, isn't it? Oh, yep, because of him next turn. Oh, this is funny. He fucked up. He fucked up so bad. Okay, I like it. But wait, you gonna trap your head again? Wait, I'm about to. No way, you just did that. Wait, I have enough mana for this, don't I? I'm about to cook your dumb ass. He thought you was safe. He thought you was safe. He thought he was safe. He thought you was safe.
Yo, we're cheating ass shit.
Hey, yo, get fucking cooked. Oh, that game was so fucked up. I just need not to, you know, start a handful of 4-drops. Oh, come on, bruh. Wait, what am I getting? Oh, mono Darius will just overwhelm units. Yo, I would legitimately just beat your ass right now, bro.
Hey, you win some, you lose some. Know when to hold them, know when to fold them.
Nah, bro, I'm about to win them all, bro.
That's not how that works.
That's how it's gonna work today.
It won't work that way tomorrow.
Shut up. Alright.
Actually, you might be on to something there. Because if that happens, that means you gotta get an extra debuff the next day.
They go nerf my shit again. Alright, there's no way you go for open attack here. I know it.
They should really nerf your Twitch account.
What you talking about, X? Chill.
Put that nigga to the hold.
Ugh.
Yeah, swing that one. No, don't pass, swing, mother. Ooh, kill it. Oh, let's go!
You also seen that meme where it was like you're in Romania in jail, you start hearing boss music.
No, I have not said that.
Hold on, let me see if I can find it.
Oh
It's
yeah.
his theme song, and then they took the edit of him walking down the steps. And they edited that into like the Jack not Jack Ryan, the Reacher jail scene. Hold up.
Oh, good.
I don't eat that 5, do I? No, ain't no fucking way eat that 5.
What the fuck is my phone? Don't tell me it's in the car, bro.
It's in that gulag.
Are you about to get sent to the gulag? You keep talking. Alright, I go to the truck. I'll bring it back.
Alright, there's no way you open this egg, right? Nah, there's no way. I knew you didn't do it. I knew I smelt a pussy. Oh, you're swinging! Wait a minute! That was a joke! Wait, how don't you die? Oh, it's not buffed! Fuck it. We're chilling here. We're chilling. I didn't need to take that 3 though, but we're chilling. Oh, we're big chilling.
Wait, why didn't the other one take 2?
Because it's not the other unit. I thought it was, but it's not the other unit I was looking at.
I'm guessing that one does damage.
No, so every time I cast a spell, it does. What the fuck is that?
Does 1 damage. Okay, you thought it was the buff.
Yeah. I wonder if I pass it, would you just pass back, please? Please pass back. Don't. Oh, I appreciate you. Cause now I got stunned for that ass. Oh, you always attack. Oh wow, you're a crazy bastard. But I ain't gonna make the same mistake twice though, bro. I ain't gonna hold you. Wait, a lot. I am. There's no way you have the Trendemir signature card, right? There's no way. Nah, I don't believe it. Fear of the North? There's no way you have that.
I sent it to you already, actually.
Oh, you don't. Let's go.
My bad.
I did it on Instagram.
Oh, it's not. You know, I got banned on that.
What you mean? You still respond though?
Yeah, every now and then it glitches out.
Stop
JK, I'm unbanned
equipping
now.
shit, bro. What the fuck?
I
Stop
just
equipping
barely
shit.
used it.
Oh, I don't like you.
I hope it's not Harold with a clip for me. That's not what that is, right?
Eating what? What are you eating?
Where? Oh, in the group chat? Nah. Well, I mean, technically, it's me and you.
Oh, I'm about to cook him! Oh, I'm about to cook him!
I was skinny as hell. What the fuck? What car is this?
It's the RX-8.
Oh shit.
Oh, oh, he's about to get cooked. Oh, chat, he's about to get cooked.
Why you told me I'm a fucking goofball?
Oh, wait, no, he gave harsh winds.
I sound like
That's funny.
I sound like the
What the fuck did cook this kid?
that one show off of Nickelodeon. The nigga was like, I'm lit. That's what I sound like.
I'm about to cook this kid.
The Nigels or something like that.
No, that's Courage.
Dingleberry?
No. Yeah, it's the Ding. I think it's no. It's not Dingleberry. What the fuck?
Yeah, you know you about to get cooked.
Berry.
The Thornberry.
Yeah, he know he about to get cooked.
Oh,
The Thornberry.
okay,
Yeah, that dude. Thornberry's characters. Donnie. There you go.
Yeah, yeah, you knew. Yeah, you knew you about to get cooked. Let's go. Let's fucking go.
I had to been like 170 this motherfucking clip.
That doesn't stop the ass whooping you about to get.
I mean, if you swung with Jinx. Oh, you got the proc.
Holy shit. The moment I drew that equip, I was like, oh, it's over. This kid about to get cooked.
Actually, I just thought of something.
Hey,
What was the power based off of?
It was just Decimate 2.0.
Facts.
What do you
That
mean?
shit was going up. That shit goes up by spells or how many times Jinx sees something.
No, so I get up.
I think it's whenever he empties his hand.
Yeah, whenever I empty my hand, I get a rocket.
One drop, 5 damage.